Ever wondered if you could bring the thrill of PrizePicks to the UK sports scene? The short answer is, unfortunately, no. PrizePicks isn't directly available in the UK right now. PrizePicks operates under specific regulations in North America, and those haven't extended across the pond just yet. PrizePicks is primarily focused on the US and Canada. Legal restrictions and licensing agreements differ greatly from country to country, which impacts their availability. But don't worry, sports fans, there's a whole world of alternative daily fantasy sports and prediction apps available in the UK. Do a quick search for Sports Prediction Apps UK or Fantasy Sports UK to discover some great options. Platforms like DraftKings or Fanteam often offer similar daily fantasy formats tailored to the UK market. Check out their websites or app stores for details. Remember to always gamble responsibly and only use reputable platforms licensed in the UK. Look for the Gambling Commission logo. So, while PrizePicks might not be an option, there are plenty of other ways to get your daily fantasy fix in the UK. Subscribe for more updates and the latest on sports gaming.